Hi everybody, today I have a special thing to show you. It's the Mavic Air by DJI and it just came out. I'm really excited to open this up. I already opened it, but I'm really excited to open it in front of you guys, and I hope that you guys will look forward to some videos that I'm going to publish in the near future. So let's see what's in the box. This thing, I believe, is just the instructions. So we got some extra, what are these? Oh, these are guards that you can put on it. And these are extra propellers. And this entire booklet is just for instructions. So let's see what we got here. We got in the box, we got a quick start guide, safety. The safety is bigger than the instructions. And the guide for the intelligent flight battery safety guidelines. Oh, there's a whole guide for just the battery. And then the propeller guards, I'm probably how to install them and such. So that's what's in this box. What else? We got the actual Mavic Air here. And it comes with a nice handy bag. And look how tiny this thing is. I'm shocked at how small this is. Just for a comparison, this is the Roku remote. What else can I show you as a comparison? A highlighter. This is how small this device is. And I believe it already comes pre-attached with the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back for now, because this is just an unboxing. What else do we have here? We got the handy dandy remote, which has these collapsible antennas and a place to put your smartphone. Now this comes with an iPhone connector. I wonder if there's a way to change it to a Android connector. We'll see. Now here are the stems that go over here. So you just remove them and then you can go ahead and attach them like this. Now look how nice they are. Very nice. So I'm gonna put them back. I like it. Everything is top notch as far as construction. This is pretty amazing how nice it's constructed. I mean, it's not a cheap device. So this is what I'm expecting. What else do we have here? And I think we have also the charger pack. Accessories. Let's see what's inside this. This is for the power cord. Interesting connector this thing has. And it has a spot here for 2 USB charging ports. What else do we have here? Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So it has a micro USB and it has a USB Type-C in it to be able to use whatever phone you have. So this is nice. It covers everything. It covers Android from both new and old connectors, the micro USB and the USB Type-C. And also the one that's built in that you have to remove and swap for the iPhone. And this is a USB Type-C connector. I guess you charge this with it. I think, maybe. And by the way, this is how you remove the connector for the phone and swap it. And then what else do we have here? One more item. Oh, 2 extra stems. And so we have a USB Type-C to micro USB connector or adapter. I guess it's for this cable. I guess, I'm thinking. And they included 2 extra stems because they probably assume you're gonna lose them. All right, so I'm going to charge everything up. I'm gonna try it out, and we're gonna do some demo flights and maybe some instructions how to use it. So hopefully you enjoyed this DJI Mavic Air unboxing. Before I stop this video, I just wanted to show you this one up close. Remove the gimbal clamp. Ah. Sensors in the front. The actual camera here. And the sensor, the back and front camera. So these are the front sensors, and these are the back sensors, so that it can avoid obstacles, or at least not crash into obstacles. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please put in your comments if you want to see anything special, because this is now the opportunity. This is actually not mine, by my brothers, and I'm not going to have access to it after I finish this visit for a week or two. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please, thumb up, subscribe. If you dislike this video, please thumb down, but let me know why, okay? Thank you, and catch you in the next video. And this is how it connects to the battery. Interesting. It's the only way to charge it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this, and we're gonna do some test flights. I'm very excited.